Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And I hope you're having a great day today. Obviously, you can see there's a Mustang behind me. I'm not buying this Mustang. That'd be cool, but I already checked. It's only an i4, so kind of disappointing. But today I was coming to a Chevy dealership to walk around and look at some stuff, and I get here and they're closed. So essentially, I'm going to just kind of walk around, see what I find while nobody's here. I have to come back another day to try to test drive some stuff or, look closer. And then I'm also going to be installing a cargo net on our Suburban in a little bit. So if you're just here for that, skip ahead a little bit. But if you want to see the cars that are here, trucks, SUVs, pretty much whatever you can. This is a big dealership, so I'm just going to walk around, see what I find. So by now it's pretty expected to see a car dealership filled with trucks and SUVs mostly. We have some cars, some Malibus here, which is nice. These are good cars. I really like them a lot. Almost got one of those instead of the Camaro, but we have the Camaro today, and that's that. Yeah, just trucks, so many trucks. I did see some Blazers though, so we'll go look at those. Here's the Blazers, got them right out front here, and this blue is awesome. I think it's the same blue. Might be the same blue that they have on the I don't know what I'm trying to say anymore. Yeah, it looks really, really good next to the red. This is the RS. Obviously, you can see from the front, just looks like the Camaro. If you look down there, you can actually, we're going to go look at that in a second. That's what I came here for. But it just looks like it. Without them calling it the Camaro, whatever Ford did with the Mach-E. It's not, it doesn't have the power to back it up. It's not a Camaro that's an SUV. It's an SUV that looks a bit like a Camaro. I like them though. I didn't get to have a driving one, but I sat in one. Are they unlocked? Can't tell. Oh, it is unlocked. Look at that. Just a little preview of the inside. Same heating things as the new Camaros, which is really, really cool. Just looks really nice. Smells like a new car. It is new, but Okay, I'm gonna get out of here before. Sweet. Yeah, I love this blue though. I'm drawn to this. It looks really good. Of course, if you can see through the mirror, there's a Corvette in there. Of course. Sitting inside, nobody can get to it. This convertible top though. Okay, so now we have to go look at this Camaro. And this is what I came here for in hopes of finding. And sure enough, sitting right here, right up front, a SS with, yes, you guessed it, a 6-speed manual. And I really wanted to drive one. Of course, there's the specs. They're closed today. It's a Sunday. Maybe they're closed on Sundays. I didn't know. Guess I should have checked before I came over here. I will have to come back and drive this though, because this is the car I really wanted to come drive. Now, I know many people aren't so sure about the front ends. They're different. They look different for the 2019 models in 2020. I don't mind this one with the black stripe across here instead of the color. When it's the body color, I don't like it as much with the lower, like the LS, LT. But once you get into the SS, I like how that looks a lot. I do. That's sweet. But yeah, I would love to drive this. It looks so cool, and I really want to drive another manual because in the video where I tried to go drive that Boxster, that was a few videos ago. I'll put that at the end. That would have been a manual, and I haven't really had a chance to drive many, so that would have been cool. I will definitely have to come back here to drive that. That is sweet. But it's very cool. So I'm just going to go end right here, and then I will see you guys when I'm putting in the cargo net. So I'll see you in a sec. So now I'm in a Suburban, not our Suburban, but another one on the lot that I found with the doors unlocked. And it is the LTZ model of a 2015, so same year, but it is the highest level. Ours is a lower trim level. I mean, just look at all this stuff. It's got heated seats and all this heated stuff, of course, which is wonderful. Push button start. This is pretty much the same, but the little button to move, it moves like, whoa, it's power. That's crazy. Heated steering wheel. I think that's something with the adaptive cruise control, maybe. I don't know what these buttons are for. Might have. Those don't really look stock. So I'd have to think somebody did something to it. Some aftermarket thing. That is sick. I'd like to know what that is. I might have to come back and look at this one too. Of course, all the mirror adjustments for. I think that's I don't know what those are. Tilted mirror or something. And then down here you have the presets for the seats. Of course, the sunroof. It's got the movie screens here. If you pop this down, take a look at that. Oh man, it's so cool. I'm gonna have to come back and look at this too. Definitely. Wow, I'm liking it though. I like ours, but this is just, you know, a little bit of a step up. Of course, it's always nice. All the garage remote things, and wow, sweet. I like it. Okay, now to our Suburban. Now here's our Suburban. Okay, so obviously we have the hatch open here, and this is supposed to be the cargo net inside this bag from GM Parts Warehouse. And then hook up there. This opens. I hope it hooks up, or we'll have to drill into it. So this could either be really easy or really difficult. It could take 2 minutes, or it could take 10. I don't know. But I'm going to open it up now, and we'll see what we have in here. Okay, unzipped it. So yeah, this is directly from General Motors. Supposed to fit, so we didn't have to have any questions about whether or not it was going to fit and, you know, take it back or whatever. So it's looking good, because there's this clip here and this clip here, and I assume the same thing's on the other side. Yeah, here's this clip and this little hook here. I assume these are the drill points, but since Chevy sells it, they should realize that it would fit. Maybe, it's just possible, maybe ours, these are the exact same clips, so maybe we got lucky, it comes with it. But, so I'm just gonna kinda, oh, hold on. Will it hook on? Oh, hey, look at that. Just took a second. Now this one, I'm gonna pop up this little silver little thing there. Anchor that down. Anchor this one down. Oh, that is a bit of a stretch. Okay, took a little bit to stretch it over. Not too bad. And this last one, I might need both hands for this. Sorry, hold on. There. Oh. I'll put you guys down for a second. Hold on. Okay, 2 hands. Got it on there. Sorry about that. Well, that was easy. Okay. Went on just a breeze. So, you know, opening here, put stuff in, and stop stuff from falling out. So that was simple. Alright everybody, so yeah, we went to that dealership earlier and we found those unlocked cars. Pretty interesting to find that. It was nice to be able to sit in them at least and get out of the cold, because it is cold, but it's beside the point. The cargo net install on the Suburban, very easy. Don't worry about anything. I will link the product below, so you guys, if you have a Suburban or if you're thinking about getting it and you're like, I want a cargo net, it's there, it fits perfectly, don't worry about that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you next time. Peace.